Hello students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you one more very interesting C program, that is to swap the contents of two variables using temporary variable. First of all, we need to know what do you mean by swap. I hope everyone knows. Swap means interchange. What is the meaning of the word swap? Interchange. You need to interchange the contents of two things, two places or two variables. First, I explain you by giving one analogy example so that you can understand. Now look at this image. Here we have three glasses. First glass is empty one. In the second glass, assume that there is a water. In the third glass, assume that there is a juice. First glass is empty one. Second one is having suppose what water is there, and in the third glass we have juice. Now what you need to do you know? You need to interchange the contents of second and third glass. You need to interchange the contents of second glass and third glass. That means juice should come within the second glass, water should enter into the third glass. Then how do you change the contents of these two? You need to interchange the contents. That is what we call swap. Swap means what? Juice should come within the second glass, water should go inside the third glass. Then how do you interchange the contents? One simple logic we use, intelligency. First what I do, empty glass. This is empty glass, no? You assume it as a temporary glass. Empty glass means what? We need one temporary glass. Okay. Means instead of writing empty, what I do? I write temp. Temp stands for temporary glass. That temporary glass helps us to swap. For example, in temporary glass I take water. Temp equals to water. That means I have taken the water inside the temporary glass. That means temporary glass is having water now. Afterwards what I do? I write water equals to, what can you tell me? Water equals to juice. That means I have taken the contents of juice inside the water. First I have transferred water into the temporary glass. That is what temp equals to water. Then water equals to juice. In this glass I have taken the juice. Now inside the juice glass I have to take the water. Where is the water? Water is inside the temporary glass. That is what I write juice equals to temp. Oh, very good. Means by using temporary glass, what we did, we have interchanged the contents of two glasses. I hope everyone has understood the analogy example. Similarly, what you need to do, assume that we have two variables. I have one variable as for example int a comma b, and one temporary memory. What is the name of first variable? Can you tell me? Name of this one is a. What is the name of it? A variable. What is the name of this variable? A. What is the name of second variable? B. What is the name of third variable? Temp. I hope you are all understanding my explanation. The name of the first variable is A. Name of the second variable is B. Name of the third variable is temp. Now what I do? I clear the screen. I print the message. Enter two values A and B. This message can be changed by you. Don't try to imitate like my messages. Enter two values A and B. How to read two values? I go for scanf. I am working with integer. I want to read two values. That's why twice I typed address of A, address of B. Means now machine is waiting for input. I give input as 7, then I give 3, then I press enter key. Now if I press enter key, where 7 will be stored? 7 will be stored in A. Oh, very good. 7 is stored in A. Where the 3 will be stored? 3 will be stored in B. Oh, very good. That means we have read two values and we stored inside A and B. Now I show those two values as it is. I show those two values as it is. First what I do, I print before swap, means before interchange. Before interchange, I show the values of A and B. How to print? Printf A equals to one value, B equals to one value. A equals to contents of A, B equals to contents of B. That means what will be the output? We get A equals to 7, we get B equals to 3. Yes, obviously. Means A is having 7, B is having 3. I will swap now. I interchange. Just only I told you the logic. How to interchange? How to interchange? We use temporary variable. Temp equals to A. Temp equals to A means what happens? In the temporary variable, I take A value. What is the A value? 7. Oh, very good. I have taken A inside the temp. Oh, nice. Now what I do? I write A equals to B. If I write A equals to B, that means what is the value inside B now? B is having 3. A equals to B means this 7 will be overwritten by 3. Oh, A has become B. Oh, nice. Now B should become A. Then where is the A? A is inside the temp. Then I write B equals to temp. Temp is having 7. That is what the A. That one we stored inside the B. What happened? A has become B. B has become A. Means we have interchanged. Oh, nice. Then I print. Once again. Printf. Once again what I do? Printf. Then /n. After swap. Means after this process. After swap. Again I display. Again what I do? I display A and B. Okay. I use the same printf to show A equals to one value, B equals to one value. What will be the output this time? A equals to, I hope you have understood now. Oh, excellent. All of you are intelligent. Really, all of you are clever. Oh, nice. Now, what will be the output? After swap, we get A as 3, B as 7. Oh, nice. What was the question? Question was like this. C program to interchange the contents of two variables using temporary variable. Yeah, we did it. We have interchanged the contents. Afterwards, you need to wait. Get ch so that you can read the messages. Afterwards, the program is over. Where my program started? Here my program started. So there is a need of opening curly bracket, before which we write no return value by this main function to operating system. Then we write hash include stdio.h. This is what you need to write in exam. For the question, write a C program to swap the contents of two variables. I removed all my explanation messages. Only program is remaining for you. This is what the program to swap the contents of two variables using temporary variable. I hope everyone has understood. Have you all understood? Excellent. That means what is the output of this program? The output of this program is that whenever we run the program, we get the message enter two values A and B, and machine is waiting for input. I enter 10 and 20, then I press enter key. Given inputs are 2. Before swap I get A as 10, B as 20. Then I get the message after swap I am going to get interchanged values, nothing but A as 20, B as 10. In exam, write the program and write this output. You get very good marks. Now I run the program and I show you. Just run it. run the Turbo C++ software and wait for a few seconds. Then what you need to do, first your duty is to close all the open files. Go for which menu? Window menu and close all. Okay, go for file menu and new, window and zoom. Okay, hash include stdio.h, afterwards void main, then int a, b and temp. Clear the screen, print appropriate message, enter two values a and b. Afterwards scanf, because we want to read two values, address of a, address of b. Then print the message before swap. This is for confirmation, not compulsory. Before swap we are showing the values. Printf, we show the value inside a, we show the value inside b, a comma b. Then temp equals to a equals to b, b equals to temp. This is what the logic, a equals to b. Afterwards what you need to do, printf. You can copy paste. How to do copy paste? Select these two, go for edit menu, copy. Here you want to paste, edit and paste. Ctrl KH for unselect. Instead of before swap, write after swap. Okay, we show, then we wait, then save the file prg9.c. Run the program. Enter two values a and b, 10, 20. Before swap, a is 10, b is 20. After swap, a is 20, b is 10. Oh, nice. This is what the C program to swap the contents of two variables using temporary variable. In the next lecture video, I teach you how to swap these values without using temporary variable. That is the next lecture video. I request you to watch that video also. You need to learn how to swap these two values without using temporary variable. That is what I explain in my next lecture video. Thank you one and all. Take care. Have a nice day.